Hi and welcome to Level Up Cartooning. This week we're taking a break from drawing well-known cartoon characters to do a little creative stretching exercise where we pick two animals and draw what it might look like if you combine them. A little animal mashup, if you will. The beauty of this exercise is there are no wrong answers. Everyone should be a little different. It's your creativity. The fact that it's yours is what makes it so special and unique. So have fun with it. Today we're going to draw what it would look like if you combined a kangaroo and a rhinoceros. All you need to follow along with me is pencil and paper. Easy peasy, right? Before we get started, make sure you hit that thumbs up and the subscribe button as it helps this channel to grow, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. All right, so let's get started. In the Level Up Cartooning process, we don't start with details, we start with simple shapes, and we start by drawing lightly. We break the drawing process into 3 steps. First, we draw the roadmap. Second, we rough out the features. And third, we draw in the final details. Not until that last step, where we draw the details, do we draw dark. And even then, we don't hammer that line, mindlessly retracing over the lines we've already drawn. We always look to improve and to tweak. While you're watching, I want you to be thinking how you might draw a kangaroo rhino mashup differently, which is the whole point of this, using your creativity. That goes for the name too. What would you call this creation? All right, so here's my version of a kangaroo rhino mashup. Okay, there it is, my rhino kangaroo, or what I'm going to call a rhinoceroo. So I'd love to see your version of a rhinoceroo, or whatever you want to call it. If you can, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram, and don't forget to include the hashtag #LevelUpCartooning. For those of you who want to go a little deeper, click on the link below for my free 4-part drawing series, where I spend more time explaining the details and the thinking behind each step in what I call the Level Up Cartooning process. I hope you had fun with this one, as it is all about using your creativity and having fun doing it. Remember to subscribe, and thanks for joining me. Until next time, keep drawing, my friends.